This special corn, I'll keep it. Look at them. They are supposed to be working. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I told you we'll be seeing more of a farm video on this channel, but there is a setback. You see a lot of people behind me, and what happened was that this is the farm we're trying to do something good on, but the person in charge of the farm was just collecting the money and not doing anything. So not knowing the person wasn't doing anything, and now I came to check because he said he wants to clear the farm and they will be done with the clearing a particular day. So I came to check and I noticed he has just been collecting the money and not doing anything. So I had to call him. I made videos, I went to his house, I showed his people, and now we are here again to talk about it. And I brought some people with me, and I brought some guys, my guys as well, with me, because there are some maize there that are dried already. Sorry, I have kata anyway. So there are some maize there that are dried already, and we wanted to plant maize and cassava there. So it was just collecting money and not doing anything anyway. This is Nigeria. This is how it happens. This is actually, I guess it's around the world. This is what happens when you don't monitor your stuff, when you don't have the time to do it on your own. Because I don't understand why you keep paying someone to do their job and they won't do it. It's so wrong, so wrong. Look at it. What do I want to harvest here? Nothing. So anyway, we are here to check, to cross-check and see, and let him, talk and explain himself and what he's going to do about it. That's all. I don't understand why they are going to cut this down. Huh? You see? Now it has been cut down. Look, come on, man. Come on, man. Why are they cutting everything down? Try check it if there is something inside. Check it if there is something inside. Yeah, just remove all these ones. So there are some places, this place now, there is nothing there. And there are some places over there too. There is nothing there. Look, there is no cassava, there is no maize here. And look at this place. This is what I'm talking about. They did not touch this place at all. It goes down there. They did not touch it. They did not do anything. Yeah. Look. So this is intentional. They just had to leave this side. This is it. They had to cut all this. You see? They did not even touch this side at all. They did not touch this side. Goes down like that. All this tree is just there. They did not touch it.
Yeah, now they're harvesting the ones needed for now.
so many things. You can't be. It's a time to harvest the crops, and we're harvesting the maize right now. So the dry ones are the one we're harvesting because it's the dry ones that we need right now. So you guys are working. I'm gonna join and start harvesting. Hey, Olinda, is this one okay to harvest?
Yes.
All right. So this is how we're gonna harvest them. Put them into sack in the truck, and then we'll take them home.
So I want to have one the way and be made method many.
What's that? Let me see. This special corn, I'll keep it. Okay. One here. Yeah, I think it's better this way. Just throw it here. You guys are missing some. Yeah, just remove everything. We'll sort it when we get home. Alright, there are still some. Two are here. And just have to take them out, or else it will be forgotten here. Okay, this is bad. These are bad ones. There are bad ones too. See? These are bad ones. You see? There's nothing inside. These are bad ones. And shouldn't be harvested. So go to the soil, be a manure, be a fertilizer. Yeah, stop them. Yep. Yep. Yeah, there's one here. Need to stay behind to check, to double check. That's just the point. Yep, there's another one here. So everything will be stuck in here, then take to the trunk over there. Take this one to the... Yeah, this place is so full because of the wood there, and there's nothing they can do but to burn it down, and there's no way we can burn it when we have all this here. So it's even good to stay behind when they are harvesting this, because even my guys are leaving some behind, and they kept shouting and talking. That's what they've been doing. With everything, they are leaving some behind. Look at all this. Ishagu, ibi no lo gba o. O ti ri. This is mind relieving that we can just do this little space, and we got loads of maize from here, even though everywhere it was scanty, and I was like, damn, this is bad. But if the maize has been more than this, if it has been grown closer to each other, we can get so many maize from just 1 acre of land. We just need to cross check again and be sure. So this is what we're gonna do ourselves. The truck is full already. It's not that big, so we're gonna find a day, we're gonna find a time that we come here to do this, get a truck, and then take it home, take everything home. So we're not really prepared today. I thought it's just something we can do within a few minutes, or at least 1 hour. Let's just walk a little bit more and see what's on board, what's on ground, then we can decide when to come back. Probably we'll be back after Osun Osogbo. So Osun Osogbo festival will be happening in a few days time. You guys need to go check it out on my main channel and have fun, enjoy the festival. And these are guys that are supposed to be working, but they're just shouting. They've been shouting, they've been catching crews, and anyway, it's part of it. Just have fun. Harvesting is the sweetest part of of farming, and the main thing is to come together to harvest like family, enjoy, nothing serious, don't overstress yourself. Even though they are not working, look at him, they're not doing anything. And this one as well, he wants to handle the phone, he wants to record while he's not going to do anything, but this time around he's going to work. Anyways, check Osun Osogbo video out on my main channel, Atu Lifestyle, and let's look at them. They are supposed to be working. People working there. We have been harvesting, and we can't even get to half of this yet. So we're gonna come back with the remaining 2 guys. So we're gonna come back. We're gonna get a truck. Probably we're gonna get a bigger one. I don't know how we're gonna do it yet. I don't know how we're gonna do it, because that is very small for this. So I will try figure out something. Probably we're gonna rent a truck who's gonna come help us with that. I will definitely figure something out. So after Osun Osogbo festival, we're definitely coming here to harvest and see what's up. I think by then they should be done with whatever they want to do over there and up there. They need to clear this place, so by then they should be done with it, so we can see what they've done so far and then share the progress with you guys and wait for the cassavas to grow. The cassavas are growing already. And just in this area, just this area, not the other part, okay? Just this area. Anyways, let's hurry up, finish, and then go. We still have all this. Where? Another side. All right. So we still have all this place. These are dried already. So this place. Then these are the fresh ones. These are ready to eat right now. If you want to consume, you can consume this. And there is no cassava here. There is no cassava here. Ojiri. Abi? Huh? There's no cassava here. So, Kiloman Fakine, what's the cost of this? Birds. Okay. So, look at this. Look at this place. Why don't you burn it? Later soon. You should have burned this thing. Now we have a lot of space here that there is nothing. Look at that middle. Huh? When you talk about farm, you have the land. You need to grow something. But look at this here. There is this bunch here. There is this here. These are dried wood already. These are dried wood already. You are supposed to burn it. That's what you told me. And look at this side as well. This is way too much. When you combine all these things together, they're like 2 plots of nothing on this farm. Look at that place. And this place too will be by Eli Robi now. This place is still okay to cut down. Onyinda, Eli Robi. So please do something about this. Let me see. This is quite small. Wow. Wow. Now it's making mouths. The maize plant here is their original maize. They are this, they are that. Oh yeah, guys, let's go. Help them. Let them harvest what they want to harvest. We can still arrange more in the trunk, and let's do it fast. These are okay. Like, this is something good. When you see this, you'll be happy. But everything is supposed to be filled with corn and cassava. Oyinda, there is no cassava here at all. Where's the sack? Hey, hurry up. Go and give them the sack. There is no cassava here at all. There is no cassava here. Look at this. There is no cassava here at all. Fine, this is good. There is maize almost everywhere. Aside from all these ones, all this big tree here. But there is no cassava. There's no cassava. You can see there is cassava here. And look at that tall one, self. How is that? Why is that one tall? Okay. So that one is not planted, that one just grew itself. So you see, everything is supposed to be. Okay, there is no rainfall. So it's definitely going to rain very soon. Look at everywhere now. Very soon it's going to rain. So, but before that, do something. So when you are saying it's going to rain, and if it rains and you haven't done what you are supposed to do, then it's a waste. So you need to plant something before it rains. And the day we came there, you told me everything has been planted. You see, seems he's trying to stay behind me, so it won't work. Well done. He's hiding behind me. He doesn't want to do anything. He's hiding behind me. Oh, no problem. I know his scope. Anyway, shall follow me.